Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Zhoee. So I hope you guys are all fine and enjoying very good health. So this is the fourth or you can fifth video of this week, Park Jimin's habit, and this is gonna be the fifth video, and I'm very excited to do this. This is so much fun to watch these videos from SNY Squeezing in Yoongi's channel, and so without further delay, let's get into it. What is in Jin's habit? Jimin's habit. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. Today
Hello.
we're back with the second episode of this series, and today we'll be doing Jimin's version. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. Habit number 1, the way he runs his hands through his hair.
Yeah, I noticed it.
자, 또 팬미팅 끝. 지금
That
4월
sometimes I have also when I have bangs. So I have bangs. Bangs is supposed to be on your forehead, but sometimes all the time my bangs are like this, and there is a huge mess in my head due to bangs. So they're supposed to be this, but I was like, no, no.
말로만 듣던 팬미팅은
For boys it looks cool.
많이 했었고, 네, 스케줄을 하고 받은 적이 있었는데 그냥 할 때도 좋은 주황머리에서
What's the matter when the hair floods come back?
뭐 이런 걸 했었잖아요.
네.
근데 안타깝게도 그게 방송에 안 나갔어요.
그러니까 열심히 했네.
진짜 우리 뭐 대기실 MC, 상황 MC 같은 거 하면서 저희들이
제 귀가
진짜 필요가 안 거예요.
한번
한번 넘겨주시면 안 돼요?
They are making fun of you.
얼마나 소중하게 여러분들도 얼마나 우리를 진심으로 좋아해주고.
Habit number 2, him laughing so hard that his eyes disappear.
그죠?
저로 하면 없습니다.
알겠습니다 뭐.
아니 근데 정말
excuse me.
That was a cute one. Like when he laughs, his eyes gonna
Habit
close.
number 3, falling out of chairs.
I have seen a video on his birthday. That was from Shugami, and the title was Yoongi. Floor is Sugar Jimin's best friend, something like that.
Falling out
Oh,
of chairs.
okay.
막방인데 이렇게 또 큰 상 주셔서 정말 감사드리고요. 네. 정말 감사드립니다, 여러분. 너무 사랑해요.
Whatever.
큰상 주셔서 정말 감사드리고요. 네. 정말 감사드립니다, 여러분.
Habit number 4, outing.
I can promise it's gonna be.
Oh, when he gets bored, I guess. Or purposely.
Habit number 5, him laughing so hard that he literally squeaks.
Okay.
I play my same name, Jin. 네.
이 괜찮아.
Habit number 6, the way he hits people when he is embarrassed.
Okay.
욕하지 말고
야, 지민이 다 했네 이번에.
지민이 잘생겼다.
Habit number 7, licking his lips.
Oh, that's my habit as well. Like whenever I went to a function and I'm applying some lipstick or something like that, so that is never gonna be here after like 30 minutes because I eat it all. That's my habit, like eating my lips and lipstick as well.
네, 사실
Habit number 8. The way he covers his face with his hands when he gets shy.
Okay. That's cute. That's cute. He's such a small man.
많은데 아 진짜 요즘 푸마
야 오늘 이거 괜찮다 이거.
아 이거 말을
뭐 하는 거예요?
내가 어이가 없네.
너무 컸네요. 이런. 정말 나 막 떼놓고 하더니.
Okay, tell me when you're ready.
Oh.
One.
Habit
Okay.
number 9. The way he practically just gives out
Yeah.
hugs.
Oh.
Yo, man.
Yeah, man.
그래도 조금이라도 도와야 되지 않겠니? 얼마나게? Would you like to go outside?
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Habit number 10. The way he claps his little hands together when he's excited.
Okay.
Habit number 11. His little shoulder shrugs.
Songs at all? Do you know any of their songs?
Okay.
Habit number 12. His nose scrunches.
One red flag. That's cute.
Habit number 13. Him grabbing the other boy's thighs.
한번 해보자. 그러면
Okay. That's a habit.
싱숭생숭. That's how we feel. Search. Lydia from Houston. With all of your trips to the U.S., who in the band seems to be the most Americanized? 미국에서 지내면서 어느 멤버가 가장
I
미국화되나요?
think it's V.
V.
Why? 그의 식성이 아주 정말 미국화.
I appreciate it.
Okay. He's giving me song.
Came from Cleveland. Who in the girl threw the best birthday parties?
birthday party?
I think you are special.
Yeah,
You are special.
You special.
Special.
Special. Yeah, alright, special.
Yeah.
Habit number 14. The way he laughs so hard that he just falls into whatever's next to him.
Yeah. What with him?
Alright, there he is.
Like we need
Let's have a look at a replay.
제가 처음에는 진짜
맞네.
하지 말라고.
프레이션 안 했어요. 이거 안 했어요.
내 기억 속에서는 최저에서 3억.
They was like, don't forget.
여러분 모두들 긴장하시고요. 네. 저희 이제부터 또 새로운 역사가 시작되죠.
실력.
브레임 실력.
Yeah.
What's the brain shield?
Yes.
And there we go. That was an in-depth dive into some of the habits that Park Jimin has picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and are liking this new series LMAO. It's really fun to make and interact with you guys. Okay, I'll go now. Wait, also I'd like to say that I know a lot of people have recently started school again and I just want to say good luck and that I hope you're all having a good first few weeks. Okay, now I'll go. KK, thanks again. Bye.
It's gonna be a
야, 옛날에 애노 할 때 정국이
머리 했다. 지민이 머리.
옛날 머리 애노 머리. 유미 여러분 사랑해요. 하트. 손을 움직일 필요가 없어. 하트.
okay. That's so
Hello,
cute. He's making heart with his ears, trying to wear and wearing the decade backward. Oh, that's so cute. His habits are also so cute, just like his hands. They have such a tiny little hand. But yeah, cute one. Like he have a habit to move his head backward a lot. I have noticed that habit before as well. So secondly, falling off from his chairs, like yeah, whenever he laughs, he don't have a control on our body, and he needs someone to grab him or fall on another person. That's so amazing, like laughing your heart out. It's something like that. And whenever he smiles or laughs, his eyes are like he just closed his eye. Can he see? Oh yeah. When I watched the radio show during the promotion, I don't recall the name of the radio show. So here was a question that whenever you laugh and your eyes closed, have you seen have like I can't see anything when my eyes are off. But he said I can see, but how I don't know. So yeah, this was the episode 5 from BTS members habit, and that's the Park Jimin's habit. So tomorrow I will become with the Kim Taeyong habit, and if you wanna watch the habits of the other members, you guys can check out in my channel. I will also put the link in description so you guys can check out. So that's it for today. I hope you guys like my reaction. If yes, please like my video, subscribe my channel, do a lot of comments and give me a lot of love and support. So let's meet in the next video with another content. Until then, bye.